Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shafiq Ahmed from Britain International School System, Physics Department, Chapter number 16, Physics, Basic Electronics. Question number 1 है, what is the electronics? Electronics is a branch of applied physics which deals with the control of motion of electrons using different devices. Electronic devices, being more effective and reliable, have revolutionized the field of communication. Question number 2, what is thermionic emission? The process of emission of electron from the hot metal surface is called thermionic emission. Metals contain a large number of free electrons. At room temperature, electrons cannot escape the metal surface due to attractive forces of atomic nucleus. If the metal is heated to a high temperature, some of the free electrons may gain sufficient energy to escape the metal surface. Thermionic emission can also be produced by electrically heating a fine tungsten filament. Typically, values of voltage and current used are 6 volt and 0.3 ampere. Question number 3, investigate the properties of matter, electrons. An electron gun is used to investigate the properties of electron beam. The electrons are produced by thermionic emission from a tungsten filament. Heated by 6 volt supply, a high positive potential, several thousands, is applied to a cylindrical anode. The electrons are accelerated to a high speed and pass through the hole of the anode in the form of fine beam of electrons. The whole setup is fitted in an evacuated glass bulb. Question number 4, deflection of electrons by electric field. We can set up electric field by applying a potential difference across two parallel metal plates placed horizontally separated by some distance. When an electron beam passes between the two plates, it can be seen that the electrons are deflected towards the positive plate. The reason for this is that electrons are attracted by the positive charges and are repelled by the negative charges due to the force F is equal to QE, where Q is the electron charge and E is the electric field due to the plates. The degree of deflection of electrons from their original direction is proportional to the strength of the electric field. Question number 5, deflection of electron by magnetic field. If we apply magnetic field at right angle to the beam of electrons from using a horseshoe magnet, we will notice that the spot of the electron beam on the screen is getting deflected from its original direction. Now, change the direction of horseshoe magnet, we will see that spot on the fluorescent screen is getting deflected in the opposite direction. Question number 6, explain cathode ray oscilloscope. This is a long question. First of all, its definition. The cathode ray oscilloscope is an instrument which is used to display the magnitude of changing electric currents or potentials. The information is displayed on the screen of a cathode ray tube. This screen appears as a circular or rectangular window, usually with a centimeter graph superimposed on it. For example, the picture tube in our TV set and the display terminal of most computers are cathode ray tubes. The cathode oscilloscope CRO consists of the following components: the electron gun with control grid, the deflection plates, the fluorescent screen. The first one is electron gun. The electron gun consists of an electron source which is electrically heated cathode that ejects electron. Electron gun also has an electrode called grid for controlling the flow of electrons in the beam. The grid is connected to a negative potential. The more negative is the potential, the more electron will be repelled from the grid, and hence fewer electrons will reach the anode and the screen. The number of electrons will reach the anode and the screen determines the brightness of the screen. Hence, the negative potential of the grid can be used as brightness control. The anode is connected to positive potential and hence is used to accelerate the electron. The electrons are focused into a fine beam as they pass through the anode. Second one, deflecting plates. After leaving the electron gun, the electron beam passes between a pair of horizontal plates. A potential difference applied between these plates deflects the beam in a vertical plane. This pair of plates provides the y-axis or vertical movement of the spot on the screen. A pair of vertical plates provide the x-axis or horizontal movement of the spot on the screen. The third one part is fluorescent screen. The screen of cathode ray tube consists of a thin layer of phosphor, which is material that gives light as a result of bombardment by fast moving electrons. Last one topic is uses of cathode ray oscilloscope. The CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, is used in many fields of science, displaying waveforms, measuring voltage, range finding as in radar, echo sounding to find the depth of seabeds. The CRO is also used to display heartbeats. Thank you.